Start drinking it daily until your pain subsides. Pain in joints does not always mean arthritis. If you have joint pain, it does not mean that you have arthritis. But if you keep eating the same things that are the cause of constipation in the joints, then this drink will not work either. What things should you include in your diet to reduce your joint pain? Before talking about that, let's see what things are important to remove from the diet. The first thing is sugar. If you are taking sugar daily, then it is a poison, so you are creating inflammation in your joints. The second thing to stay away from is seed oils. Corn oil, soya oil are called seed oils. They are filled with omega-6 fatty acids. Omega-6 fat is the type that causes constipation in the body. In contrast, desi ghee butter, mustard oil, cold-pressed mustard oil, and flaxseed oil give you omega-3 and reduce constipation. After that, it's time for gluten. Anything that has gluten, like wheat or other grains, not only in the joints, but gluten can cause constipation in your entire body. And then there is another thing called oxalates. These oxalates are a kind of sticky thing like stone. Its crystals go into your joints and accumulate. These crystals are also the cause of kidney stones. I believe that people who have complaints about oxalates in their body, in the form of kidney stones or joint pain, they have taken a lot of antibiotics in their lives, because there is a bacteria in our stomach. It's a good bacteria, it's a part of the body. It naturally kills these oxalates. But due to excessive use of antibiotics, this bacteria is killed. Then what happens is that your body becomes more oxalate sensitive. That is, your body is more affected by oxalates, and this pain increases if you eat spinach, almonds, beetroot, sag, tomatoes, etc., or drink more tea, because these are high oxalate foods. If you include more magnesium in your diet, it can reduce these oxalates to a great extent. Then you can eat these foods in less quantity. Magnesium reduces the effect of oxalates. Finally, the chemical that causes the most problems is lactans. It's in peanuts, wheat, beans, and especially in things made from soybeans. Lactans also increase inflammation. The diet I recommend, the low-carbohydrate diet, none of these things are included in it. Now let's move on to the drink that I will recommend to you. If you have swelling in the joints, this will help. The main powerful ingredient of this drink is turmeric. Turmeric powder. We will add just a teaspoon of turmeric to this drink. Take a glass. Add half a glass of water to it. And take half of the coconut milk. You can easily make coconut milk at home. It's a very easy recipe. The benefit of coconut milk will be that, first of all, this drink will be very creamy, and its taste will also be very good. Now you have to add a pinch of black pepper to it. Black pepper increases the absorption of turmeric by up to 2,000%. Then you have to add a scoop of collagen powder to this drink. You can buy it from any good brand whose reviews are good. If you want, you can add a few drops of liquid stevia to make it sweeter. But its taste is already very good, because coconut milk has its own sweetness. So this will become a very creamy shake of a mix of turmeric and coconut, and you have to drink it every day. If you want, you can heat it up a little, but it's not necessary. You can also drink it cold. You can drink it in the morning. You can also drink it at night. You can make it a part of your natural joint pain protocol. It will do its job quietly. Who should not take it? Pregnant women cannot take it. If you have ulcer, you cannot take it. Now it's time for exercise. The best exercise for joints is walking.